Alright, what's up ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? It's gonna be a fun evening. Got some things to work on. I'm just shutting my Mac down here. Trying to, but mail is not showing. Okay, so this evening we are gonna work on I'm going to continue to work on the Pug.js engine that I'm trying to write in RPG for some reason. You know, interesting choice. I need to actually log in and test the code that I've already written, because I already had written most of it. I just downloaded it now from my Mac. I need to bring it on and test right now. So with that being said, create directory, a bug, that's what it's called. Let's make that a shortcut. Cool. Create file. Let's call it apug.rpgle. That's going to be the main module. Here it is. Let's go ahead and copy it. Right there. That's the code. Save it. Cool. Okay, so we have our code. There are no dependencies right now. Let's see what we can break. I don't even know if this is going to compile. It probably is going to crash because I'm not very good at coding. As you can see, I have not even got a response back. So sort of did nothing. Try again, shall we? Yeah, okay, doesn't want to do anything, that's fine. We can compile it from a green screen instead. So, since this is going to be recorded, I should probably get the Pug.js docs up. So it's not going to be exactly like Pug.js, it's only going to be a subset. It's going to be enough for it to be decent or and usable. Apug. It's actually create RPG mod is what we want. Apug. What library do I build stuff into? I don't even know. Work level or no? Just level. Liam is my current library. Perfect. Work obj Liam / start. Oh, see what we got. Nothing. Okay. Create RPG mod. Let's call it Apug. It's going to go into Liam library. Home, Liam, apug rpgle. So 40 errors, okay. Just block. That probably won't tell me anything though. Alright. So what we need to do is figure out why this was not giving me a response. So that doesn't work. Okay, that's cool. That doesn't. I say it's cool, but let's go to toolbox, compile settings, RPG mod, edit. I must be missing something. That's why there's no ifs command. Silly me. So what we'll do, we'll just copy this. Let's get Notepad up, paste it in, and let's just replace one of those parameters here. This is the one we want. That's the stuff we can get rid of. Oh no, keep that. And what are the variables we can use? Build lib, file name, file path, current lib. So, actually, to be fair, we could just compare it to create bound RPG. IFS. Oops. That's what I want. And probably should put debug view source on too. and that's going to be mod. Is it mod or module? Module. Cool. Paste. Nope, that's the wrong command. Edit. IFS. Paste. Save. Okay, so now, hopefully, fetch errors. Excellent. Alright. That's cool. What we will do, open the compile, set this as the default, so we can just use, yep, cool. Okay, so the first problem is that I haven't put **3 in, but this is a 7-run machine, so we're just gonna cheat. I have tabs on. Oops. So let's go tools, connection settings here, editor, true, save that. I'll have to reopen the editor instance because I changed some of the settings. Yeah, okay, perfect. Okay. Alright, this is a good start. That's supposed to be declare C. Like DS. Keyword like DS or like rec not allowed within a data structure that is not qualified. Property T, I'm pretty sure is qualified. Right. Okay, so maybe if I put the qualified keyword here, or maybe before. Let's try that. We'll take the qualified keyword off here. Takes a while to save on this server. Okay, so save. What? I'm qualified template. Oh, qualified. Okay, that was a simple one. Sorry, silly me. Right, parentheses. That was a bit silly. So yeah, I had actually written all this code about testing it anyway, but freeform calculation is way out. We're just gone over the record limit there. Like so. Perfect. We should tweet the stream link. youtube.com. My channel. Cool. Maybe I should put some text on the screen saying what I'm working on. Cool, we can do that here. Text. Select color. Yeah, we leave it as white and then we just put it on the taskbar. Where'd it go? Oh, it's all the way up there. Cool, there we go. Now let's share it. Minimize. There it is on the screen. Okay, Control C. Getting there. File pointer is not defined. That's because this is not called that. It's called something else. I didn't do a thing. DS G. Let's call it pug source, I guess, like DS. And then we just we'll find a place for that. Save. Cool. GStream file. Oops. L line is not defined. That's because it's called P line. Same here. Save. L space is not defined. L spaces. Node prop is not defined. It's called mode prop. L space is not defined. L spaces. Compiler cannot determine how. That's because silly boy. CTL opt no main. Save. Control C. Cool. What library is this actually building into? That is a problem. Because I need it to build. Yeah, wrong library. Liam. Let's change this to APUG as well. We'll build it into Liam. Alright, let's go delete work. Obj noxdb APUG. Liam / start all. Let's go ahead and delete these JSON. Cool. Okay, so now that we have our APUG module, means we should build a main. Let's just make a new file here, and we'll call it main RPGLE. And what I'm actually thinking about, instead of this returning like output, I might just return a pointer, and then actually just return the address of output. Right, is that going to work? Because it's varying length, isn't it? RPGLE. I think it's like 4 bytes, so we could just do pointer plus 4 bytes. I think that might work. Guess we'll have to find out, won't we, people? Okay, let's Control C that. So this is a nice, easy prototype to use. So let's go ahead and declare a prototype for APUG. ext. Oh no. Let's declare the prototype for the. Yeah, it's called APUG. APUG ext proc. Perfect. Nice and simple. It's a. What does it return? How do you do these things? Pointer. Yeah, pointer. Yep. And then it's a p path character 128, and we don't need p because that's useless here. Okay, let's do ctl opt dft act group star no, and then let's also. Well, that's it really. We need to make a file with an example too. And I can do that. Let's create a file. Let's call it test.pug. And it's going to be body. I don't even know if that's going to work, to be fair. And then title, hello world. And then p, hello world. I guess we'll find out. Okay. So let's do APUG character. Let's do a declare s result equals no character. Let's just make it 128. It's not even going to be that long. Result equals. Let's make a pointer to declare s point lpt. I don't know, ptr. That'll do. Pointer. Let's do ptr equals apug, and then the path. So it's going to be home / liam / what do we call it? Oh shit. Test.pug. That's what we called it. Okay. And then I think it's 4 bytes. So let's just do plus, or is it 2 bytes? It's a. I think it's 2, but 2. Let's just add 4. It doesn't matter. And then let's do result equals %str ptr. I don't know if that's going to work. And then return, and we'll save that. should compile. Ah, right, because it's a module, we don't actually need that. Cool. Okay, that didn't work. What? Oh. Const. You can do that, right? Perfect. Recompile that too. Now the nice thing about IO Editor is actually I'm going to big up my own software here. Is that Open Toolbox Object Diagram. Oh no, wrong one. Program listing Liam. So we have our modules here, right? And if we do a create program, let's create. Let's just call it main or pug test. I don't know. We'll put it into Liam, even though it's my curly module. Is a pug. No, it's main, which is also Liam, and then it's also a pug, which is in Liam. So it created. So if we refresh, oh, it's doing something. Okay, so now if we can actually just go update and we can choose the modules and we don't have to keep recompiling the program. Just updates for us. It's really kind of cool. So let's do a start debug here on pug test. Moment of truth. Cool, pug test. Alright, we're getting somewhere. That's going to reset all the stuff. File pointer null, okay. Why is that? Okay. I'm kind of confused. Test.pug. Ah, I see. Silly me. This is going to be the perfect example of this update program. Let's go back to main. Let's put a pug in there. Save. And then when it's saved, compile it. Right click on pug test. Update. Main. Update. And that's it. So let's go ahead and start the debug again. Get the pointer on there. Cool, pug test. Okay, same thing. I'll tell you what. That's going to return the address, but... So it is 2 bytes! It is 2 bytes, God's sake. Okay, keep that there. What's the damn path? apug/test.pug. I do not understand. What am I doing wrong? I like... Let me just check that. Maybe... Okay, pug test. Update. Let's just update both here. Okay. And debug. Path looking good. Oh, I realize. You know what we're not doing? The actual important part. The actual important part, which is not actually specified on here. Wow. Oh, wait, is it? A pug. Open file. No, it is. That's bizarre. Oh! Is this a thing? No, it shouldn't. There's not usually something to do with maybe create program. Storage model? No. That's bizarre. Let's try it again then. Oh. Okay. Test.pug. Oh, that's my phone. Still null, okay. I am under the assumption that it's definitely something to do with create pugum. And with that being said, I'm going to test that. So star no. Okay. Let's take all this. Oops. Can we do group? Yes! Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, that didn't work. Let's try again. We can do that. And then that. Yep, there we go. Get rid of all that. Okay. /home /liam /apug /test.pug. Okay, that's our source. And let's just change a couple of things here. Let's make that 50. And then what we can do. Display. Oops. I've just noticed a pretty big bug. Take that, put it there. There we go. Save. Compile that again in a minute. And then we'll just do display. And then, of course, return. Compile. #RPG. Oh, it's right there, you dumbass. Oh, maybe it's something to do with this. Probably not then. Yeah, that was stupid. What? Oh, I compiled the wrong thing. It's missing for the if operation. Ah, that's why. Yeah. Okay, that worked. See, that worked. Okay. Okay, that worked. So maybe, that's while we're here, let's just copy this. It might have something to do with the path. Oops. Okay. Save. Let's compile that. Oh, that was fast. Okay. And let's bring... Did I close it already? Yeah, I closed it. Connection settings, wrong one. Toolbox. Program listing. Liam. Pug test, update. Boom. Okay, and debug. I'm going to be pretty confused if this is the reason why. Cool. Bug test. So now the parameter is ignored and instead hard-coded, just so we can see. That works. Okay. Maybe I got the. Just gonna copy that, repaste it on there just to make sure. Nope. All right. Mildly confused, but we'll roll with it. Okay. Stop. -1. Yeah, that's gonna break. And L spaces is more than equal to 0. I guess, yeah. Or we could just do the smart thing and set L spaces to -1 to start with. That would actually just solve the issue itself. Cool. Oh, never seen it. And debug. Start debug. Pug test. Alright, let's do this again. It still opens. That's very strange. Retrieve data body. Perfect. Process line. Mass spaces -1. Okay. Okay. Ah, okay, that ended prematurely. Okay, body. So it's going to add that, correct. Oh, I shouldn't even be doing this yet. For some reason, that's in the for loop. Yep, let's move that here. I need to change some settings. Save it. Connection settings, editor. Two spaces. Yep. So now we can do this. Move back by 2. Okay, save. Oh, trim. I think I know what I did wrong. Here. Trim right P path is what I wanted to do. I think. Save. File. I don't know if that's going to fix it, but you know, whatever. End debug. Start debug. Okay, moment of truth. Yeah, that fixed it. Did it there too. Trim left. Oops. Oh, that's fine. Retrieve data. Body. Okay. I didn't mean to do that. What was the issue? I didn't even see it. Okay. Length of varying length variable is out of range. Name. Something to do with. Not a clue. We'll come back to that. I didn't even get to debug what I wanted to debug. So it's not null. Okay. Let's put a breakpoint on there, jump into it. Okay. So it is definitely going to build up my string, which is good. And then what we'll do is jump down to here. Current tag, body, perfect, 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 perfect. So, L index 5. Okay, that's from previous LM properties. So now it's 1. But this is what throws the error. Length of varying length variable, so it means something is wrong with name here. Okay. I didn't mean to go that far. Eval current element. Something about these varying length characters. So maybe if I do something like this, let's just take this. Equals blank. Sorry, eval. Syntax error. Oh. That's not even what I wanted to do. So that doesn't work. So if I do this. Okay, so effectively it's blank now. Okay, so that's the problem. That's the problem, it just doesn't think they're blank. Oh, varying length characters, eh? That might fix it. And debug. Bug test update. A bug. We'll do that for later. Oh, save. Okay, and debug, you already did that. Love debugging. Cool, let's put a breakpoint right there. That's not a breakpoint, right there. Okay, let's go down to where we need to be, which is here. Output current element, perfect. What? How? They're a blank, for fuck's sake. That's annoying. What? So what am I doing? I think I'm clearing it. No, that's closing tags. Can you do len? No. X. Okay, so they're blanks. Maybe. Okay, so what if I do len is more than 0? Maybe that'll do it. I don't know. Okay, saved, compile, update, hey bug. Okay, let's just go and set my breakpoints instead of waiting. One there, and one, oh, just passed it, one there. Okay, Oh, what? Is that I and Z even working? Let's test it. Ah, I know what it is. I know what it is. We have to use that keyword there too. Yeah. Ah, I bet that fixes it. Update. Ah, we're gonna be pissed if this works. Ah, just. Oh yeah, cool. Protest. I shouldn't have used len, but that works. We don't have to use len now, but so that's going to loop through 10 times. The value is blank, therefore. Oh, that's not right. That's not right. If the value, if it has a value, then you close. Yeah, that's right. If the value is blank, then you add it to the close. Otherwise, the other way around. Alright, let's make a fix. Let's make some changes. First of all, that goodbye. Not star blank. And then also, this needs to be the other way around. So if it doesn't have a value, it will close in the future. Otherwise, write the closing tag. I think that's right. I think that's right. A bug, boom. Okay. So I think we already ended the debug. Nope, there we go. Ah, pug test. Cool, pug test. Boom. Okay, should have just set my breakpoints. Okay, so output, body. Perfect. So we know that there's no... I should make a leave, do an else leave or something in this. Save looping over all that. So closing tags, body. Perfect. So what's next? Title, hello world. Jump in. Spaces should be 2. Still -1. Ah, this is wrong. We need to find it so the first shit. Boom. We need to change that scan function to become a spaces function instead. Okay. So that's quite simple. We could do it here. Can we do it here? No, because we need the else spaces above. We need it way up there. So we're going to have to make a separate scan function. Fucking hell. Alright, we're getting somewhere, which is good. So first of all, let's do this. If p line equals star blank, and if, just do return, because yeah, it's pointless. And then else, there's no point doing an else because the whole rest of this thing is an else basically. This is where we need to do another for loop. So first of all, we need the length. Let's move a lot of this. Let's move it like way here. And then we'll just do this. Processing starts below. Okay, like so. And then this is where we need to do I knew. There must be a way to do this. No, I don't think so. L spaces equals -1. Nah, 0. Oh, I'm enjoying whatever this is I'm listening to. If in fact, yeah. Right, that looks good. Okay, that should do it. Oh. Oh no, please don't do this to me. That's good. Oops. What am I looking for? Okay, let's test this then, shall we? Bug test. I've just realised my shoes are still on and I've been in the house for hours. That's strange. Okay, so right there. So let's jump into this. So it's not blank. There are no spaces. Correct. Oh, that's my phone. Yes, I should take my shoes off. You are correct. Alright, last spaces. Yeah, perfect. Okay. No, there's no fucking closing tag. Fucking hell. Okay, there's no properties. The value is blank. Wait, it's not blank. But it is blank. Ah, that's fucking broken. Current element. What? It is blank. Next. Alright, let's do it again. Okay, body. There are no elements. That looks pretty damn blank to me. Oh! Wait, no, that's right. If it is blank, then... Ah! Okay, I missed something. We need to still append, just not the closing tag. Like that. Duh. Okay. Boom. Let's come all the way down here, put one there too. Okay, current element. Yep, there are none of those. Need to fix that fucking for loop. Okay. There we go. Body. Yes. So what's next? Next is 2 spaces, title, hello world. Alright. Oh, I fucking missed it, you bastard. I wanted to check what L spaces was. 2! Okay, that worked. Excellent. Alright. We're cool, we're cool, we're cool. Okay. Body. There's no tag. What the fuck happened to the tag? Oh boy. Oh, I think I... Yeah, this is why. L spaces +1. So, skip all the spaces afterwards. Okay, compile. This is so much fucking effort. So tedious. And debug. Every fucking time. Alright, let's just get to the important parts. So I guess no, just go all the way down here and then here. So first one, body. Okay, looking good. Oh, we're on our for loop. It's blank. Excellent. There's our body tag. Next up, title, hello world. Alright. Where's the breakpoint here? There isn't one. So it's perfect. 2 spaces. No closing yet. We're still at closing index 1. Perfect. Perfect. That's looking good. I'm impressed. Oh, baby. There are no things. Hello, where? What the fuck? What the fuck? Alright. Ah! We've got to, oh boy, that is not right. If it is blank, but it's not. It usually helps if I actually put the value into, like we're just doing nothing with the value because I'm a dumbass. So now if we look at output, it just says title. What a dickhead. So this is wrong. If the value is blank, no, that makes sense. If the value is blank, then do that. Yeah, okay, let's just change it. Plus tag. Alright. Ah, that's wrong. Just like that. Is that right? If the value is blank. Yeah. Yeah, I guess so. Alright. Trial and error, mate. Ah, what did I do? Oh, we're over the record length. Let's just take that. we go. Yeah, that closes the whole thing. That's annoying. Take it off there. Close it. Cool. Update. APUG. Okay. Cool. Pug test. Boom. Alright, so the main part that we're testing for here is this part. So that it is blank. So, cool. Right. Okay, that makes sense. Next up, we've got I said, yeah, we've got I fucking skipped it. Value, hello, where, whatever. Eval current element. Title, perfect. So it's not blank, therefore blimey, I'm impressed. Next up, P hello world. What is my pug test here? Just hello world, hello world. Okay. Output. Damn. Now we only have a slight issue. It's that I haven't. I think if I did that, it might work. If I leave that empty space at the end, it might work. Pug test. Put a breakpoint here. And then now after if that works. No, okay. If I do something, if I just do p test, it might work. Ha ha! That did work. Oh, I'm impressed. Okay, we'll leave that as it is for now. The next stage is figuring out why it's stopping the passing of hello world. It's 7 on each for some reason, and we'll just, I'll tell you what, best way to find out is just to debug it. Boom. Alright, so F11. So it's not that we have a problem with, it's this one we have a problem with. Title hello world. Alright, let's jump through. We know the spaces. It's this part we care about. L character. T. Let's get here. So L mode is now going to be mode val. Damn it, I went too far. Sugar. Let's do, oh, this will do it again anyway. Okay. So this is for the P. Okay. Then the next one is a space. Okay. So now it's a space, it's going to be at mode value. So it means the next set of characters is going to be the value. So in that one. So our next character is H for hello, and we're at mode val. So we do that, plus equals H. Next up, E. Okay. Hello. Okay. Why is the R breakpoint not being hit anymore? Nah, that's fine. Hello. Oh, why did I pressed F10? World. Oh, LN. Is that why? Yeah, that's why. Ah, well, that is only 13, 15. Ah, what's the, how is it figuring out the length? Ah, trim right. That's what we wanted. Oops. That explains why it doesn't work. Okay. Okay. Oh, I didn't, oh. Just get on the result. Cool. One thing I haven't tested yet is the properties, though, which is probably not going to work. Oh my lord! What the hell is this space? Ah, that's my own fault. Yeah. Shit! That's cool. Can we do equals so that'll fix it? No, that won't fix it, will it? Shit. That is cool, though. So if I did that, that would fix it. That is fucking sick. I actually can't believe that. So really, we could just be quite hacky and just trim it, I guess. And I'm okay with that. I think I'm okay with that. Yeah, fuck it. Trim that shit. Although that won't actually match the pug standard if we do that. If we just let that slide. Ah, that's stressful. So, okay, so what we could do. Haha, okay, I do know a quite hacky thing we could do. So it has to be an equals or a space. So what I might do is this plus equals 1. If we just skip the index by 1, it's going to skip over that single character. And then it would match the correct syntax. So the way that we have it originally will now work effectively. Not enjoying this song. Oh. Oh. Yeah, that works. I'm actually quite impressed with that. Okay, now I know a fix for the last issue we're having. So the last issue is, oh yeah, let me fix this. So if it's not blank, fine. Else, leave. Okay, that will fix that. And then the last problem that we have is adding all the tags that are still open at the end, so closing tags. And we have closing index. Luckily, let's just take this, we'll just make a SL index int free, and right here let's do for L index equals closing index down to 1 and 4. Oh, and then we can just do this, whatever we're doing here. Yep. Boom. Perfect. I'm going to assume that's going to work. Add the unclosed tags. And then let's save that. And let's go ahead and update the object. I haven't compiled it. Okay, and debug. Oh god. Just damn. Damn. That is hot. That is actually hot. I'm actually very impressed with that. Oh, that's quite funny. I was not expecting this to work. Okay, so I don't know, I do silly little things, I suppose. Ha ha ha. I am impressed. I am impressed, actually. Just a tad. But the real test is when we do something like this. Div ID equals yo, I don't know, something like that. Then we'll increase that by 2, save. I don't know if this is even going to be remotely close to working, actually. Actually, this will work. This is an obvious one. No, okay, it didn't work. Did I save it? I saved it. Div yo, div. There's an issue. I think I know that one already. Okay, no, that is a weird one. Okay. There's no body ending, that's all I'm confused at. It's got div twice though. Okay. So how about what the fuck would cause that? We got somewhere, but I think I actually need to rethink how the closing is going to work. I think I need to rethink the closing, because I'm not asserting the closing tag with any kind of index, like space index. So I think this closing tags is going to have to change a little bit. So what it's going to need to be instead is a data structure, and that's going to be it's going to be tag varchar 10 z, which is going to be blank, and then I don't know, space. Yeah, we'll have to do it like that, and that's going to be int free, I guess. Qualified. That's there, tagging. So now, anywhere closing tags is used, tag. So now let's go to actually adding a tag. Dot tag, closing tags, closing indx, dot spaces, space equals L spaces. Yeah, I think that's right. And then where we actually close tags, like right here, we need to actually loop through the closing tags instead. So let's just rewrite some of this. For L, we'll use L index again, equals I guess we do it top down. Yeah, let's do closing indx down to 1 n4. Then we'll do if this is so like complicated. Closing tags dot space is less, no, is more, yeah, is more than L spaces, and if, let's put that on there, let's put that on there too. No, that can't be right, surely. Can it be right? Oh god, this is so ugly. Trying to figure out how this would fucking work. It's so confusing. I don't even know if we need a closing index now, effectively. A closing index could just equal L index, I guess. And we'll keep last spaces as it was. I guess, do we need last spaces? What is that even used for now? It's not used for anything. We're going to try that. Save. Try and compile it. Excuse me. Oh, that was not nice. Plug test. Who knows? This is probably going to fail miserably. Oh, okay. Still div. That's a good start. Maybe something to do with this. Yeah, that's why. So, oops. We'll probably just steal that code for nothing. In debug. Start debug. So that will fix that issue, I guess. Nope. Okay. That's annoying. I didn't update it. That's why. Update. Do that again. Div body. That's looking cool. So I guess the piece of code that I just added is actually going to test more so the being able to do this. I guess I don't really know. Moment of truth. I think we're going to need to expand result. I think I was right because we have our div, but it's not closing the div. So our if statement is a little bit incorrect. So let's dismod source here. And the part that I want is right here. But I need to make sure I'm on the right I need to make sure I'm on the right piece of information. So we're on title. Now we're on div yo. Now we're on P. Now we're on B. This is a test. So I've got a sneeze coming. Excuse me. Closing tags, body div. Cool, that's looking about right. So we're at 2, down to 1. So current house spaces is 4. Is that right? What are we on? P line. B, this is a test. Okay, so nothing is closing yet. Correct. Okay, so the next one is where things should be closing. So div high, L spaces. More than equal. Okay, that's probably what it is. I've compiled. Let's actually go ahead and update it. I'm not going to debug the whole thing this time. Just going to check the result. That's annoying. So that's where the closing div should have been. So now we're going to have to debug it. So let's go ahead and put a breakpoint there, and also one on there. Okay, divio. B, this is a test. Okay. This is where it should start closing things. Div high. So let's jump into, well, we already know, L spaces 2. Closing tags 2. Closing tags dot tag. That's the issue. We're getting there. I got a text from someone cool. This is going to be dot tag, and that should be the end of our problem. End debug. Let's start debug. Pug test. Oh, moment of nope. I thought that would have fixed it. Apparently not. I know what I didn't do. Update the module. I'm going to just automate that step. I feel like whenever I compile a module, I should just let it choose which program to update every time I compile it, like for me. That would be so useful. Holy crap. That would be such a good idea. Next time. Oh! 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 It worky poos, but now... Oh, that is cool. I'm happy. I'm very happy. 256. Let's just expand it just that little bit. Compile that shit. Update that module. Oh. Oh, baby. And debug. Pug test. I am actually fairly happy with that. God damn. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Happy Barry is happy. Excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. I'm actually rather impressed. I'm actually rather impressed. Now, this needs to be under Git. That's what it's not at the moment. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go ahead onto GitHub right now, make this a repo. Damn. Damn. I got to get on Slack. I got to tell my boy about this. Alright, so I'm on GitHub. Let's make this repo, you know. I called it APUG. Holy shit, this fucking works. Let's have no readme yet. Fucking hell, I can't believe it. Holy shit. Oh, I'm gonna be so fucking lazy. Yeah, let's just do this. Fuck it. No, let's not. cd d /d repos. Git clone. Boom. I appear to have cloned an empty repo. APUG. Cool. D repos APUG. Oh, you bastard. Is it backslash on Windows? I'm so used to repos APUG. No, that works. Excellent. So all I'm going to do is take my main here, bosh it in. I should make a directory called source. I should be cool about it. New text document main rpgle. Yep. And then APUG rpgle. Shit! I can't believe it. We just got all the hard stuff to add next, like variables and arrays and fucking all that god awful crap. Cool. So no, let's get the old readme going. Readme.md. Yes. APUG. APUG is a version of Pug.js, or I say of the Pug.js templating engine for ILE applications. Its primary purpose is for CGI applications. So let's let's just say example. Let's take our code. Let's take this. Let's take our test pug here. Something I haven't tested for actually. Close this. If I do this, put a space here. Give it. If I do that, do I get the same result? I do! It works! That's fucking sick! Alright. How about that? Ha ha! Ah. Love it. Absolutely fucking love it. Boom. That's it. Ha! That's banging. Ha! That is sick. That is absolutely fucking sick. Can you do hash test to render? Oh no. So my friend has just said to me, can I do hash test to render div test? No, but that's a good point, and I'm going to do that now. So we need a way to determine. Yeah, okay, I have an idea. How are we going to do that? I've got to think about how we're going to do that. So part of the pug syntax is that you can do, where is it? Like this, hash user turns into this. So how are we going to do that? It's going to have to be in mode tag. We'll have to do it so something like when our character equals a hash. Oh fuck! How are we going to do that, man? Also, this we don't support this yet. Then again, we don't have variables yet, so I don't have to support things like that. But that is very interesting. How the fuck am I going to do that? So it's going to happen when it's mode tag. So, okay. If L space is +1 equals X, then this. Yeah, alright. 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 Give me a break here. Alright, so hash // let's do conditional checking. Ah, pug. That's cute. Alright, conditional checking. If oh, fuck's sake. I've got to think about how we're going to do this. Yeah, that'll do. And then select end SL. When alcar equals hash. I mean, you can do dots too, can't you? I think that gives you something different though. I can't do that yet either. There's a lot of things I can't do. So that represents a class. So that represents an ID. That represents a class. Okay, that's doable, I think. I don't think... Yeah, let's just not do that. I think... if... Yeah, we don't need to do that. If we're only checking for one character. So if it equals a hash, okay, if it equals a hash, it's going to be tag equals it's going to be a div. Yeah, div. And we're going to add this is so like confusing. Alright, this is going to be class. Is it class? No, it's ID. And then L mode equals mode property, and L prop key is prop value. So L excuse me, prop mode equals prop value. But then if we can't increase the space, we can't increase spaces by 1. If we don't do that, because L spaces is used down here, isn't it? Bollocks! Oh, okay, we could do something like we'll just do this really hacky fucking thing, because we don't... No, we can't do that. Can't do that in a prop. Shoot! What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Oh boy. Let's just trim the fucking character. Wait! Wait, no, we can't do that. Yeah, we'll just... how are we supposed to do this? Okay, I think I know what we're gonna do. Fuck it. That will give it a space. Unless we do something like this. No, that won't work. Yeah, trim. Let's just trim the character. No, we can't trim the character in case it's a space. Fuck. How are we gonna do this? We can't get rid of it. Wait. Wait. We can't get rid of it because it's p line and it's a constant, so we can't change that. Oh, we're gonna have to do it the fucking hideous, ugly ass way that I don't want to do it, like, but... L is cond ind. Is cond equals star off. Oh, let's line these up. There we go. That's going to turn is condition star on, and then we're going to do it doesn't really matter what we do here. Oh, it does, because we could just do this. Let's do L spaces plus equals 1. Right, like that. And then down here, when L spaces is used again. Oh, actually, let's just do it after the for loop. If L is cond, let's do end if L spaces. Oh, that is ugly. I fucking hate it, but I've got a choice. Compile that shit. Pug test update. I haven't cloned it onto the fucking IBM yet, so... Alright, moment of truth. Guess we'll find out. And debug. I already updated it, I think. Oh, this is hideous. Well, it gave me hash test, so it did fucking something. It's not the right thing, but did a dumb things, obviously. Okay, let's just go fucking check that line. In fact, we're going to move it all way up, just so we don't have to keep fucking debugging the shit. Let's just stick it right there. So that's still giving me hash test, which is fine. Alright, F11. Oh, no, F6. No. Why did they do that? F6. Hash test. Okay. Conditional checking. So L spaces is 0. Plus 1 is 1 for 1. What the fuck? P line. What's the beef? Plus 1 for 1 character is fucking hash. Oh boy. Eval. P line. X. Okay. So eval P line is a hash, isn't it? Right. L spaces, just make sure, is 0. I am confuzzled. It's probably some CCS ID issue. Oh boy, guaranteed. Let's try it with a dot, just to test this theory. I don't exactly trust. I did update it, but I'm going to try it with a dot to start with. Just to see what that does. Nope, no, it's the wrong green screen. Oh, this mod source. Why did I do that? Alrighty, jump into this. Okay, that didn't work, so it's not. Alright. Alright, something else. Pretty sure 1 for 1 equals dot. I wonder if that's actually doing the assignment within the... No, it wouldn't be, because p-lines are const. Ah. Let's do this instead. And let's also change it back to a hash. Damn, it compiles so quick. Don't even notice, it just flies by. What am I listening to? I like this. Tune. It's like I know this playlist, but I haven't listened to it in a while. It's a tune. No, I skipped over it by accident. Shit. Fuck's sake. RTV data. It's a dot. Do we not? It's still a dot. What a dumbass. What? It's a damn CCS ID issue. What? What? Yeah, I realize we're compiling from the IFS. Oh, fucking hell. Work link 5 apug 8. Yep, that's fucking why. Different CCS ID. So if I use a dot now, it will work. Because that's the same, I'm pretty sure the same cross platform. I can't remember. Oh, my phone is dootering. That's just me mum. Just me mum. Okay, save. Fucking hell, it's a load of effort. Okay, character is a dot. Ah, look at that, they're the same. But we'll test it anyway. Alright, so we'll just let it run now, I guess. Div test. That worked. So it's a hash issue. We probably shouldn't use hash because fucking IBM and Epsidic and all that shit. So that's fine. Yeah, I like that it works, but I hate that it doesn't work properly. So with that being said, that means we can just do this .yo and dot hi. Save that. Body, hello, div id yo, p hi, div id hi, and whoa. Why is it ending the body in the middle of it? T. What the hell is that about? This is a test, and it's just like boom. Okay. Let's copy this out and clean it up. That's weird. Ah, well that worked. Must have been a... No, it didn't work. It almost worked, except it's got this junk at the back. Oh. I think I know what it is. No, that wouldn't be it. Shouldn't be it. So if we actually got rid of that, then it would be alright. What the hell is this line break? Oh, that's the... Yeah, so if I did that too, format. Yes. Okay, so we have some weird things going on. So I think the best way for me to debug that is to do this. Let's put a breakpoint there. Let's do a call to pug test. Jump in, and we'll just stick it right here, and we'll have a look at the output. so it hasn't closed all the tags yet. That's fine. So in fact, let's compare this to our pug. So we're on our P ID high. Yeah, hello world. B, this is a test. Okay, that's looking good. What's the issue? We're closing tags. What is our index? 2. So that closes the div. That closes the body. And that's it. Return. Where does it add in this extra stuff from? It's a pointer. Of course it is. So why would that extra stuff be in there? Must be reuse. Oh, but we're clearing. We're blanking the output out at the at the start. But it's using %str. So what we should be doing, really, is doing something like this. Right, just before the end, we should do output plus equals, and then we'll put a null in there, like so. That might fix it up. So if we end the debug on that, update, and start the debug again. I need some music. What should I listen to? Yeah, this will do. That might fix it. Might. It did. So that conditional thing is a bit of a pain. I think the issue is, if we look at EBCDIC 277, which is the system I'm on, and EBCDIC 37, if I'm right in oh, this has been updated. They've got colors now. Oh, that's nice. Blimey, I'm impressed. So let's look for a hash. So that's hex 7b. F hash. And this is hex 4a. So because we're compiling from the IFS, the string literals in the code, so for example the dot that we've got right here, let's take that for example. Where's the dot? Here's the dot. It's 4b. Okay, it's 4b on here too, which is different. Oh, it's the same in both encodings, but because we're compiling from the IFS, and if we use a hash, the program is going to have a different encoding for that string literal than what it does. Yeah. Anyway, different encodings. It's a bit messy, really, but that's okay. I'm okay with that, honestly. I'm quite impressed with the amount that I've done. In fact, I'm going to make all these characters configurable as well, so it should be fine. I'm quite happy with that, with this progress, to be fair. I need to take what the changes have been to APUG and put them into my local machine first, and then I will clone down. Oh, that's not right, surely. I just changed all this. Oh. Alright, whatever. I'm happy. I'm actually very happy. I should get a little screenshot of this, I think. Like this. Damn, that is neat. Let's just reply to this. Got 3 likes, but I can only see 2 of them. Perfect. What? Fair dues. Boom. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Excellent. I'm very happy with that, to be fair. So, what do I need to do next? need to get my changes. Oh, there's 2 bugs. Well, that's the old one I had. The only issue of listening to Jamiroquai is I'm really very tempted to sing, which is quite annoying. Cool. I'm pretty happy with that. Decent. There we go. Git add dash all git commit dash m conditional handler. Oh, okay, that worked. Git push, and then I'm gonna blank out the directory work link. Cool. I don't have my SSH key set up on this machine. Cool. Cool. Let's just git clone it on the server, and then we don't have to keep pulling it to my local machine. Should do a make file as well at some point, but I guess it's only a single module, so there's not much point in actually making a make file. Cool. I'm excited. That is exciting. So the next thing that I was looking at on conditionals was this dot description thing, because it looks like that. Well, that's all it does. It just appends a class. If the tag has got a dot somewhere in it, then the next piece is the tag, right? The next piece is the class for that tag. So close that. I need to make sure that I have done this correctly. A bug, excellent. Oh, yeah, that's cool. Close this. So I think this one's going to be quite simple, because what we can do in motag, we can actually just do something like this. When our character equals a dot. Oh, actually, can we? Oh, maybe we shouldn't do that. Maybe that's, I don't know. I'm just having a think. Because there's a sequential order for the... Oh, I don't know. Boom. I might leave that out. Again, this is not a full re-implementation of Pug, it's just a version of it. Comments. Don't have comments yet. Oh, I need to get this CCSID thing done, I think. So what I need to do is go ahead and replace all of the constants that I'm using. So like these brackets, these, you know, less, more than, less than signs, forward slashes, all the string constants, and replace them with variables, so they can be used in different character sets. Because I might add something like set encoding, something like that. Something that NoxDB does really well, actually. So if we look at NoxDB and docs JSON, yeah, set delimiters to, right? So you can set the characters like this for every encoding, and so when you call this, you set what the delimiters are in that encoding, and I think I'm going to do the same thing basically. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. apug set delims, I think, simple export. Oh, I'll have to before we even do this, I need to check which characters I need to replace. Backslash, less than, more than, for sure. In fact, it's just going to be a data structure. I'm going to call it C because that's a really great name for a data structure. And then, so the first one is going to be less than sign, character 1, I and Z with backslash. Less than sign, not backslash, dumbass. I have a Snapchat. Nobody ever Snapchats me. It's black though. Blank Snapchat. It's weird. Plus nobody ever Snapchats me, and I hate Snapchat anyway. Okay, so less than sign. More than character 1, I and Z. It's more than sign. / FS character 1, I and Z. / speech mark. Yeah. Character 1, I and Z. Speech mark. Quote. And let's have a look what else we need to do. I think that might be it, to be fair. Don't need to do space. Equals, that's another one. And a backslash. BS, character 1. I and Z. And then equals, character 1. Oh, I have more messages. Oh, I have to reply to a text real bad. Holy shit. I forgot all about that. I'll check all these things in a mo. Oh. Cool. Alright, text replied to. Everything else can wait. So come up to an equal sign is what I saw last. Got quote marks, backslash, comma, and brackets. Oh, this is ugly. So it's CM, car 1, I and Z, comma, and then the other one was OB for open bracket, I and Z. Oh, that's the wrong bracket. CB, character 1, I and Z. Close bracket. I think that might be it, but I keep saying that, so it probably isn't. Equals, we got, comma, we got. Speech mark, nope, we got it. Okay, I think that's all of it. Save. So the nice thing about set delims is it's really simple to write, so I think if we could just do something like this. End PI. And how many characters do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 10. That's nice and simple. So we can just accept character 10. Wherever my function has gone, I've missed it. So we can just do p delims character 10. And I think we can just do something like this. C equals p delims. I think we can actually just assign characters to a data structure. Hello, YouTube. Alrighty. Got a Big Lou messaging me. Boom. Alright, done checking my phone. I think we can do that. If I try and compile. Yep, okay, that works. No complaints. I hope it's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. And then that's the last of that. I don't have to worry about it now. What next? Make sure this is working. Oh, CD, APOG. Cool. Cool. Let's just, yeah. Yes, I did. Thank you. Set delims. Procedure. Cool. What was next? To actually replace all of the constants with the correct characters. So, it's going to get tedious. Output equals, or plus equals, C dot, because they're really shitty names. So, I might, if I save this copy, and then, can I open up a second copy? Yep. Bring it down here. Leave that up there. Let's just go through and do it. C dot. What we got here? So it's a LT plus C dot. It's a /, so FS. Yeah. Plus this plus C dot MT more than. So let's get rid of that. That compiled. Perfect. And I'm going to copy that again actually because I think we're going to need to reuse it. Okay. Oh, a dot. That's what I've... Did we not do a dot? We didn't do a dot. Shit. DT. Character. 1. INZ. Dot. Fuck's sake. Okay. CDT. C dot OB. C dot EQ. C dot backslash BS, right? Yeah. C dot QT. C dot BS. C dot close bracket. C dot QT. To be fair, I could just do this. C dot. What's the equals? EQ. Alright. Let's do this to keep doing that. The comma is CM. We got these little tedious ones to do. SM. Speech mark. This is a bit of a weird one. So plus C dot EQ plus C dot SM plus. I think that's just over the record format limit. Yeah, it is. That's annoying. Could do this though. And I think we might just fit that on. Yep, that's cool. We can do that. Save. and then the last few c dot mt, and I'll have to do these ones manually. So we got a plus c dot lt plus c dot fs. Right, fs. Cool. That's it. That's pretty much it. Save. Control C. Fetch errors. Okay. Oops. No. What a dummy. Oops. More than sign. This was a stupid mistake. Equals SM speech mark quote mark quote mark is a quote mark, and that's it. Control S, Control C, fetching errors. What? Operands are not compatible with this type of operator. What did I do? CM, what's comma? Ah, that's a comma. What's the issue here? What did I miss? C.EQ. What? That's weird. These are character fields. What the fuck are you talking about? What? I'm so confused. Ah, I see. That is a rookie mistake right there. Rookie mistake. That's a really silly error message. That's what it was. Cool. Tools. Toolbox. Object. Nope. Listing. I hate that library name. I'm going to have to rename it. Now we just test it one more time. Oh, fuck off. What happened? Ah, the source got deleted, so I have to recompile it. Silly me. There we go. Now it'll work. I went right over the debug. There we go. Failed to read. That's because it doesn't exist anymore. Blimey. Let's create a directory called pug. We'll commit it up to. I'm more than happy to. Inside of pug, we'll put our example. That's my website. Repos. Just take this, put it in there. Pug, create file. Just call it test1.pug, I suppose. Save. Update our main apug. In fact, let's use relative directory here. Excuse me. Pug. That's the. No, it's called apug. Right. Damn, these things compile so quickly. I love it. So now cd apug. Ah, yeah, that is right. I didn't want that. Relative to the directory. Yeah, relative to the repo directory. So now ndbug. Boom. Ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I tell ya. Let's commit this up. Oh, that was the wrong thing. Oh, what the fuck is this about? Oops. Fucking hate this shit, man. Can't control CRV or anything. It's fucking broke. Terrible commit message, but I'm okay with that. How long have we been streaming for now? Blimey, 2 hours. Fuck's sake. That was not meant to happen. Yeah, I'm okay with that. 100% HTML, boy. 2 messages. Better check those. Twitter. Alrighty. So what's next? I think might do some simple variables next, actually. And the problem is let's look at the pug docs here. Mixins. Oh boy, forgot all about those. That's miserable. Yeah, I guess these could be tags. No idea how I'm going to achieve much of this in RPG. Linked list, but then it's like, how do we do things like where's a good example of, well, we should do comments next. That would be the next smart thing to do, I guess. So I guess we'll do it around about the same place as conditional checking. And in fact, we can do that now because we figured out what the problem was. And we should do something like this instead, perhaps. Yeah, let's do this. And SL. Oh, yeah, okay, cool. Like that. And then we'll do a different when for when it's a comment. So it's going to be fw plus c dot forward, oh, fs, like that. Cool. And it is 100 and what? 5. Oh yeah. Line length is probably 500 or something. And we haven't even got to the 4 yet, so I guess we just return. Yeah, I think that would probably be the wise thing to do. Oh, do you know what else we need to do? pipe checking. So where we have the dot, I want to do P, I don't know, P for pipe. I don't think this is even a valid character in Episodic 277. Oh, it is. It's right there. But then, what is it here? Something else. That's why it's fucking annoying. We could set it to the ASCII one, which I guess would be 4F. X 4F. I think that's right. ASCII table. Pipe. Oh, you can't search on this fucking website. Pipe. 7C. Oh, hex. Yeah, 7C. No, that, yeah, that was wrong. Or was it? Did I just... Nope, okay. 7C. 7C it is. Ah, is that right? Oh, I don't know. Huh, okay. Oh, yeah, that... Is that... Yeah, alright. 7C. Because all the codes in... Yeah, alright. Conditional checking. When... we'll just take this. Excuse me. P. Pipe. Well, this one's cool because it literally is just like an append. So there's not really anything to it. So it's literally just going to be output plus equals pipe plus, I guess, P line sub st, P line L spaces plus 2. I guess trim as well, maybe. Trim right. Yeah. Guess we'll find out. Because then we can do things like this. We'll have to test that after we've tested the other stuff. But so what do we need to test? We're testing a comment. That worked. Let's test it again. Perfect. Cool. Okay, next test. Let's do something like a pre-tag with nothing in it. I don't know if that's going to do anything, but I guess we'll find out. Almost. You know what we didn't do? Return. Now we're going to get a different result. I don't know if I want to do trim right. I don't think we're going to do a trim at all. Oh, we have to though, because it's P line, so... But we know the length. We do know the length, that's a good point. But the length is a trim right. Yeah, alright. Wait, that's the amount of characters though. So we'll just do trim right. Excuse me. Yeah. Yeah. Are we gonna do that though? Yeah. Oh, dunno. Dunno. Yeah. Yeah. Think so. Yeah. Why the hell not? Yeah. Trim left. Trim. No, just a trim right. Update. Hey pug. Nope. Okay, that didn't work. Why didn't that work? We kind of get a start. Oh! Character encodings. That's why. Stupid. So, what we need to do is breakpoint. And what we need to do is just find out what the hex is for that line. So we'll just jump in here, read the first line. There it is. Eval pug source RTV data X BB. That is apparently the hex we're going to go with. Fair enough. Fair enough. Oh, we could just fuck. Close that. Let's call this P2 for testing reasons and put the real pipe in just to see what the result of that is. Update. APUG. Okay. Eval C. They're both pipes. Eval CX. BBBB. Perfect. So effectively, this is a test. Pre, how are you? Well, that worked. I'm impressed. Cool. That's exciting. Cool, cool, cool. That means we have more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Git add dash all. Git commit dash m. Pipe support. I think what we just added. Yeah. Git push. Cool. Pipe support. That's exciting. I need to document some things, I suppose. Don't know why I left BB in there though. That was a stupid thing to do. Oh well. Ah, you know what I just saw? Shit in hell. Right there. C.LT less than. Cool. Remove mist, hard constant. There we go. Okay, probably should write some documentation for this, I suppose. Ha ha ha. This is exciting. I have no fucking idea how I'm going to do variables. The only way I can think about how I'm going to get it to work at the moment is by using NoxDB as like a... it's like my JSON linked list type thing. But, not a clue. That's a lot of strain just for a small project like this though. So, I don't really know what I'm going to do. Like, normal variables are okay, no problem. But it could get hairy and confusing after that. Not a clue. Maybe I do have an idea. It's just, I need a good linked list implementation. I think I know who has one. What's the website? Bitbucket. It's on here somewhere. M1, yeah, there we go. He's got a good array list. Where's the link? There we go. Okay, I don't care about the sort so much. These two are the important ones. Oh, it's all fixed format now. I think that's okay. But this is just a list. Like, I need a keyed list. More than anything. Maybe that's what array list can do. No. How am I going to do this? Okay, so I see that you can get by index. Excuse me. There's no readme for this. It's annoying. What to do? How are we going to do this? It could just be a simple, like, we just append shit to it. I don't know. Oh. Alright. Array list will have to do. Or linked list is fine. Yeah, I think this will probably do it. Add a data structure. Oh. That's it. That's the one. That's the one right there. Add data structure. That's the one. Alright, so how much array list and array list H? Banging. Problem averted. First thing I'm going to do, let's implement our APIs for this. This is getting a fucking hairy program. Let's probably clean it up. This is nice and simple. Tickleproc, apug, add var, I guess. Now this is going to be really simple for now, because I don't know how I'm going to support like pug for loops. Or each, yeah, that's the one. For and each. There, I just don't know how I'm going to do that quite yet. So I have to think about it. But for now, variables should be fine. And of course, replacing values should be fine too. So pi start in, end pi. Pi start in. It's going to have two parameters. One is the key, character. Is it character? Yeah, I guess so. No, it's not going to be. It's going to be pointer. I think I have an example somewhere. That's what I wanted. P key, P value. Same thing. Pointer. My shoes are still on. Fuck's sake. Take those off. Alright, they're coming off. New pair of shoes. Been wearing them all day. Dumbass. So, that does mean we are effectively adding another module to the fucking thing. Yeah, that's fine. I guess we could turn it into a service program, if it makes sense. Literally, the only things we need to expose is set the limbs, add var, and apug. That's literally all we need. I should probably rename apug to like apug generate or something. But I'm okay with apug. Yeah, fuck it. We'll leave it for now. So we need a base. Yeah, we'll just put it here. Default ds. Variable. Yep. Apug variable. Variable qualified. And ds. This is a nice and simple one. It's going to be key pointer and value pointer. Nice and simple. So then all we do is this. Excuse me. Just do this. Oh wait. One sec. So that adds an address to it. Fucking bastard. Unless it copies the bytes somewhere. Copying the content to dynamically allocated memory. Perfect. Perfect. And then tune. Filth. So a bug variable to call ds. Is it ds? No, it's a pointer. To call s. Yeah. A pug vars. Var list. Var list, is that right? Yeah. Pointer. Nice and simple. And then it was just the address. %addr. A bug variable. And then size, which is going to get the size of it. Cool. But we're way over the record format limit here, so let's clean this up a little bit. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. Nice and simple. It's going to copy pointers of a pointer. Or pointer of pointers. I don't know. Confusing. Boom! That's so pretty damn awesome. Thank you, Steph. You're cool. What is next? So, I suppose I should bring the headers and source in. Let's make a directory. Headers. Definitely need to make a makefile at some point. Oh, I literally am not a huge fan of Bitbucket. Create file. Array list underscore h. .rpgle. Boom. Oh no, it's all fucking free. Ah, shit. Ah, that's stressful. Okay. Let's hope for the best. Control A, tab, 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 tab. Okay. That should be okay. Okay, so we have the H. And now we have the array. Oh, this is not all free. Alright. No complaints. No complaints. I mean, it's not star free. File. This is going to be array list. RPGLE. Spangin', mate. Paste it. That's a big file. Ah. I think we need to change. Nope. Ah, yes, actually, because /copy. Yeah, that's the problem. libc.h. Oh, more stuff. Headers. Where is libch? Ah, man, don't do this to me. libch. Also, very nice. Open raw. This looks useful. libc underscore h RPGLE. I like this underscore h convention. I probably should steal that, I think. I didn't mean steal. So now, headers. Fetching errors. Yeah, I knew we were going to run into that. Oh, fetched errors. Looks good. Oh, it's probably like some fucking binding wank. That's not very useful. What the fuck is going on? So let me just undo what I just did. Let's see if we can do that again. Okay, I think I fucked it. Let's restart. bit of dick serve. Source array list. Okay, this looks good. I need to open the file. What? Oh, right, because, yeah. Headers, array list H. So that's literally, that's the only errors, right? There's no errors. I'm gonna... Oh, it's because I'm trying to compile a header. Silly me trying to compile a header, eh? Oh, it worked! Holy shit, it worked. Alright, cool, cool, cool. Dece. I'm excited. That's exciting. Hey, Pug. Let's copy in some headers. I need to move these out for sure. In fact, could do it now. Yeah, headers, create. Oh. No. No, it's okay. Oh. No, I need to copy slash header headers slash array list H RPGly. Okay. Still compiles. Excellent. So, apug var list. I guess I need to dealloc that as well at the end. Does it say anything about that? Array list dispose. That's what it is. Array list. Create. Oh, excuse me. And then I guess like that. Save. Oh, I did it wrong. There we go. Okay, so how do we do this? We'll have to make another internal function called get value. Oh, actually, I don't know. Little proc. Took less. Int, no, Tuckle pi star in. It's going to return an int 5. End pi. Okay. We need the name. So take that. So we have to do this. Oh, what's it called? Something like that. So if that returns a pointer, can we assign to this? No. Okay. How are we going to do this? We can try this. That. Oh, that's my texter. Oh yeah. Okay. That's not going to perform great, I don't think. So I might limit the length. Oh, I don't know. Okay, I have an idea. So equals C mode val const 6 mode val var 7. So now equals means something else. So for example, let's say the default, let's do where we have, where is it, L prop mode, let's do s L var mode int 3. And L var mode by default is going to be mode var const. Okay, and then we need to change where we do, where it's mode, here we go, L mode, is it prop L var mode? What did I call it? Shit. L var mode. Yeah, that's going to be mode val const. Right, but then when it's an equals, usually means properties and a variable. When it's an equals, we change it to var. Okay, but then we need to do one more check. Here in the properties, is it the properties check? No, it's not. It's right when we do the closing. So we change it to mode val here. Yeah. So if we need to do alcar equals quite simple, I think. So when, yeah, and then we'll just do if lcar equals c.eq, else end if. God, this is so fucking confusing. Okay. So this means that L val mode equals, is it called val mode? Var mode. No, we should, I'm going to rename that in a minute. So this means it's going to be mode val var, because it's an equals. It's a variable next. Otherwise, const. Var mode needs to be called val. Eval mode, that's what it's going to be called. Evaluate mode. When by default it's const, right? Okay, so then when we are evaluating or printing anything, that writes the close tag. Oh, that's the value right there. Right. So output plus equals c.mt first of all. If eval mode, I think it's called I've already forgotten the name of it, fuck's sake. Eval mode equals mode val const. Yeah. In fact, let's just do it like that. So, yeah. Else end if. We need to calculate the value. Okay, we can just use L index. L index equals get var index of trim current element value. Is it current element value? Yeah, it is. And then if L index is more than equal to 0, end if. Else. So this means we have a successful value, and we can just do duckle proc get var by index. Excuse me. And proc, and we'll have to return a string, no, a pointer. So let's do duckle pi star in pointer, yep, end pi, and then it's going to be p index int 5, yeah, cool. And then let's do this pindex, and then return a pug variable dot value. I think that's about right. I'm hoping so. Okay. So let's do this. I think dt is dot. Is it dt? I've already forgotten. dt is. Save, compile. Not a lot of errors. Mode var const. Val const. Save. That compiled successfully, I guess. So, did I finish the APUG add? I did. Alright, well, it's all looking up from here, so guess we'll have to try and compile it. Tools, open toolbox, program listing, terrible library name. So we have an array list, we have everything basically. Bug test, update, boom, boom, boom. Yeah, okay, so that won't work. I need to recreate the program. Work obj, terrible library name, /start all. Let's delete those. The program is called pug test. The module start all in the library. The entry module, we specify that, right? Yeah. Main. Okay. So now if we just try and update, we should be able to do that now. Yeah, cool. So first of all, we should just test it still works. Start debug. APUG. Nope, it's not called APUG anymore. It's called pug test. It's still called pug test. Has not changed. Cool pug test. Okay, that looks good. I'm impressed. I'm quite happy with that. So that means it created and disposed of the array list perfectly fine. Excellent. Okay. Let's open up our pug test. I just opened up the same source again by accident. Pug test 1. So now let's try this. Span equals hello. So if I'm right, it means that we should get some kind of error. Receiver value too small. Oh, okay, so what does get size return? Gets our unsigned 10. Fuck's sake. UNS. So that means, in the example, it goes from 0 -1. What? Okay, I see. Okay, we've already got that. So it just uses unsigned 10 instead of everything that we had. Slightly annoying. But that does mean that we might need to make a new variable for yeah, we can't use lindex. We need to create a new one. Oh. That's weird. Okay, that worked. Update. APUG. Okay. Still. Oh, I'm still using L index. Oh, no. That's weird. What? That's weird. Oh, did I? Let's try again. That's a bit bizarre. Zero by default. Ah, -1. Shit, there we go. In fact, we should do this. Yeah, else. This would be a better way to do it. And either way, just return 1 if it doesn't find anything. Okay, that should do it. So, pile, that should fix that. Did I make, yeah, advar export. What the fuck? Oh, it's returning unsigned 10. How are we supposed to do this, man? Alright, I guess we could return 0. Returns the number of elements. So how would we... We can't return star null. 0 is the index. Let's look at get. That takes in an unsigned 10. You're a fucking dickbag. Holy shit. Fuck it, we'll change this to an int5 again. Wonder if that'll work. Yeah, fuck it. Okay, let's try again. Oh. Ah, it worked. Cool. Okay, let's try this. Let's open up our main. Get in there. That's what the reset will do. Or the init. Cool, there we go. So now they have to init before they can do anything else. Apug init ext proc. That's it, there's nothing else to it. Oh. What's key is null? How what the fuck, man? You a fucking bastard. Don't lie to me. Okay. Don't even know if this method is going to work, to be fair, but if it's null. Or not null, for that matter. Come on, there we go. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. I think that's just fucking confusing for it. So set the key, eval, I think it's S, C, yeah, C10, something like that, yeah. Don't think that's gonna work. Value, C10. 20? Yeah. I don't know how this is going to work at all. Because it makes a copy of it, but what happens to those variables? Because it's just pointers to those variables and they would be null. Yeah, that won't work. That's a pain. We could alloc. What would we be allocating? We could allocate. Yeah, I don't know, to be fair. That was a fucking stupid. Okay, for now, I'll tell you what we will do. Is we could RPGLE I want to use varying length fields, but the problem with them is that I don't want them to consume. Okay, so it's short by default. Okay, so it just dynamically allocates, which I'm okay with. So let's change our variables to be varying characters of, let's say, a maximum of the key 128 characters. Never needs to be anything longer than that. And the varying character can be 1028. So then we can just do this key str key, and then the same value. Okay, problem solved. And then I say problem solved, not really, but we don't have to do this. Let's do return ADDR of the value plus 2. That's going to return a pointer. Save. The key is not ever going to be null. It might be blank though. And with that being said, let's make sure that the key has an initial value which is blank. Don't care so much about the value. Cool. Bug test, update, a bug, update. End debug. I gotta reply to a text. Holy shit. Getting late. Out of range. You're a goonehead, mate. Eval. A pug variable. How do you mean out of range? It's blank. Oh, I'll tell you what. That is useless. Oh, no it's not. Let's take... Get rid of this. Where do we use this? Fuck searching for that index. Let's just fucking sposh it out there. God, that's long. $85, that's way over. Music stopped. I probably should stop coding, to be fair, but why would I want to do that? Oh, I need to figure this out big time. Let's do some based work. Based. So I just need to allocate, really, for that size. I need to determine the size, though, if it's based. Oops. apug var apug list pointer. I guess pointer. Based like that. Whoa. Alloc. Size. So then I'll just do that, I guess. And then dalloc. No error. Cool. I don't know if that's going to work. Okay. Oh shit. Oh shit. Did that work? No, I don't think it did. No, span is empty. Okay. How do we get around that? That's a frustrating thing. What's this mod source? Hmm. Where is it then? This is awesome. It should be here. It seems to be working, but not working. So I have P key. This is hello. This is awesome. There's my span. That's weird. That is awful weird. But I'm so confused. There it is, there's my value. Unless the length of it is super ultra long. No, it wouldn't be, because how bizarre. Let me just look closely at what I'm actually doing here. It seems to be like... Oh, get var index, get var index. What a dumbass. In fact, there we go. I like that. That will fix it. So with that being said, how are you? Where's my span? This is awesome. We've done it. We have variables. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Fuck. Get status. Ah, fucking timed out. One 1685206. Oh, that's not my password. Cool. Cool. I'm quite happy with that. I'm actually quite impressed. So next test. Span. This is just random. All right. I think I balked it. Span. Let's just close some of this off because we don't need a lot of this, to be fair. Span BES does not work. Alright, let's go fix that up. Okay, easy fix. Where is it? Okay, save, file. Oh, that broke a lot. Hello. That should fix it. Cool. Alright, I think that should probably do it for a stream. 3 hours, 32 minutes. Blimey. be fair, I'm not quite done yet anyway. I have to write the documentation now. I won't bother streaming that part, it's kind of boring. But okay, yeah, thanks very much for watching. It's been good.